ASVAB Math Knowledge. Practice Test 2026 Question 1 of 5. Solve for x minus 7 is equal to 25. Option A, x equals 4. Option B, x equals 6. Option C, x equals 8. Option D, x equals 18. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, x equals 8. Add 7 to both sides, for x equals 32. Divide both sides by 4, x equals 8. Question 2 of 5. Simplify, 3 superscript 2 times 3 superscript 3. Option A, 3. Option B, 3. Option C, 9. Option D, 27. Take a moment. The correct answer is A, 3. When multiplying same base, ADD exponents, 3 superscript 2 times 3 superscript 3 equals 3 caret, 2 plus 3 equals 243. Question 3 of 5. If 2x plus 3 equals 16, what is x? Option A, x equals 4. Option B, x equals 5. Option C, x equals 8. Option D, x equals 10. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, x equals 5. Distribute, 2x plus 6 is equal to 16. Subtract 6, 2x equals 10. Divide by 2x equals 5. You can also divide both sides by 2. First, x plus 3 is equal to 8, so x equals 5. Question 4 of 5. Multiply, x plus 4, x minus 4, option A, x superscript 2 plus 8x plus 16. Option B, x superscript 2 minus 16. Option C, x superscript 2 minus 8x minus 16. Option D, x superscript 2 plus 16. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, x superscript 2 minus 16. This is the difference of squares pattern, a plus b, a minus b, equals a superscript 2 minus b superscript 2. So, x plus 4, x minus 4, equals x superscript 2 minus 16. Memorize this, it appears constantly. Question 5 of 5. Solve, 3x plus 5 greater than 14. Option A, x 3. Option B, x 5. Option C, x 3. Option D, x equals 3. Take a moment. The correct answer is A, x 3. Subtract 5 from both sides, 3x greater than 9. Divide by 3x 3. Note, when dividing by a negative number, you'd flip the inequality.